Please write your name, class period, and the date. Remember, you can pause this at any time. Europe test. Question number 1. In Norway, Sweden, and Denmark, the literacy rate is nearly 100%. Which conclusion can be drawn about education in those countries? Is it A, the government makes literacy mandatory? B, business people often start second careers as teachers? C, the educational system strives to create informed citizens? D, students must participate in extracurricular activities. Question number 2. The Irish potato famine began in 1845 when a fungus-like organism spread rapidly throughout Ireland. The infestation ruined up to 1/2 of the potato crop that year, and about 3/4 of the crop over the next 7 years. Since the tenant farmers of Ireland relied heavily on the potato as a source of food, the infestation had a catastrophic impact on Ireland and its population. From History.com website 2019. What was the effect of the Irish potato famine? A. Ireland's population grew because there was a greater opportunity to grow crops other than potatoes. B. Population of America grew as people of Ireland immigrated to other countries. C. Population of Ireland grew as more people immigrated to Ireland. D. Half of Ireland's population immigrated to South America. Question number 3. Which of the following geographic factors makes Western Europe an important region of economic activity? Is it A, the Northern European plain has rich, fertile soil? B, the dense forests are home to a variety of wildlife? C, the North Sea is covered with ice for half of the year? D, the mountain ranges create a Mediterranean climate? Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 4. This natural boundary is located between Europe and Asia. Is A, European plain? B, Pyrenees Mountains? C, Ural Mountains? D, Alps? Question number 5. What period in Europe began in Italy in the 1300s and lasted in the 1600s, during which art and learning flourished? A, feudalism. B, welfare capitalism. C, Renaissance. D, Middle Ages. Question number 6. These physical features form a natural border between France and Spain. Is it A, Ural Mountains? B, the Alps? C, the Andes? D, the Pyrenees Mountains? Question number 7. This is a small body of water, 350 miles long, that is important for trade and travel. Is it A, the Danube River? B, the English Channel? C, the Mediterranean Sea? D. Rhine River. Question number 8. What does the term Renaissance mean? Is it A. Death, B. Rebirth, C. Life, D. Secular? Question number 9. The Pyrenees Mountains are located between which two European countries? A. France and Spain, B. Russia and Ukraine, C. Belgium and Germany, D. United Kingdom and Italy. Question number 10. Which of the following inventions was invented during the Renaissance? Is it the A. Telegraph, B. Computer, C. Printing press, D. Cotton gin? Remember, you can pause at any time. Let's look at the map. Notice the numbers on the map. You have numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which number on the map below identifies the Scandinavian peninsula? Is it A1, B2, C3, D4? Question number 12. Look at the map again. You'll notice there's numbers on the map. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which number on the map below marks the Danube River? Is it A1, B2, C3, D4? Question number 13. The Holocaust was the systematic, bureaucratic, state-sponsored persecution and murder of 6 million Jews by the Nazi regime and its collaborators. Holocaust is a word of Greek origin meaning sacrifice by fire. The Nazis who came to power in Germany in January 1933 believed that Germans were racially superior and the Jews deemed inferior were an alien threat to the so-called German racial community. From the Holocaust Encyclopedia. Remember, stay inside the box. Using the information above and your knowledge of social studies, which best describes the migration of Jews during the Holocaust? Is it A. Economic factors, B. Religious persecution, C. War and conflict, D. Environmental factors? Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 14. Due to a disease in the potato crop, many families lost their farms and their main food source. This caused many to immigrate to the United States. Which of the following is the best explanation for their migration? Is it A. Religious persecution, B. Discrimination, C. War and conflict, D. Economics? Question 15. A major reason that the Renaissance began in Italy was that blank. Is it A. Italian city-states had grown wealthy from trade between Europe and Asia, B. Farmers produced great agricultural surpluses on vast plains, C. Merchants supported the Green Revolution, D. Many European scholars had migrated to this area. Question number 16. Leonardo da Vinci was the artist who painted the Mona Lisa below and the famous painting The Last Supper. He was also an inventor who drew designs for a flying machine and a parachute. His renewed interest in cultures of Greece and Rome had his use of scientific thinking made him a leader in the blank. Is it A, Reformation, B, Revolution, C, Roman Empire, D, Renaissance? For questions 17, 18, 19, and 20, please select from one of the followings. I will first list the answer choices. A, second largest peninsula in Europe. B, a mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe. C, the longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade. D, it is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it's important for trade. 17, the Alps. Please choose from one of the answer choices. A, second largest peninsula in Europe. B, a mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe. C, the longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade. D, it is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it's important for trade. Number 18, the Danube River. Is it A, second largest peninsula in Europe? B, a mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe? C, the longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade? D, it is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it's important for trade. Question number 19, Iberian Peninsula. Is it A, second largest peninsula in Europe? B, a mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe? C, the longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade? D, it is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it's important for trade? Question number 20, Rhine River. Is it A, second largest peninsula in Europe? B, a mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe? C, the longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade? Or D, it is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it's important for trade? Please double check your answers. If you have changed any of your answers on the Scantron, please make sure you erased it well. Go back and darken your last answer choice if you did make a change in your Scantron. Take your time. Do not rush through this test. Good luck.